Chemrock EK140. The chain cutters of the German company Chemrock are highly reliable and have long established themselves in the market as quality, durable equipment. With their help, experts can make narrow and deep trenches with a minimum width of 800 millimeters. These cutters can work both with materials of natural origin, for example limestone, and with asphalt or concrete. At the same time, efficiency does not depend on weather conditions or temperature. Even in the cold season, Chemrock copes with the task without failing at the most crucial moments. Reduced vibration significantly extends the life of the device. Chemrock chain mills can be installed on any excavator, as well as some backhoe loaders. They are easy to care for and do not require special training. Sweeper cassette. Round mechanical brushes, which are used for cleaning streets in many cities around the world, are nothing surprising anymore. However, this model can be considered innovative because it combines a brush with a scoop, which is the excavator bucket. This guarantees the recollection of small debris, including construction waste, such as excess gravel or sand from large areas. Another plus of this technology is that it's safety for humans. Workers don't have to gather the dust, exposing their respiratory system, and the whole process is controlled directly from the operator's cabin. Also, if necessary, the bucket can be automatically disconnected. This function is useful when cleaning narrow areas or during wet cleaning. HG6800TX. The horizontal shredder HG6800TX is a compact vehicle equipped with a powerful engine designed for clearing the terrain and performing work directly on the pipeline route. The harvester moves on caterpillar tracks, and its feeding roller can rise to a height of up to 127 centimeters. The engine has a power of 708 kilowatts and a feeder designed specifically for handling large materials such as trees and large stumps. This chopper has the power required to operate with minimal operator involvement. Dual Series 3 drums with welded hard metal provide long service life and facilitate maintenance. In addition, they allow you to perform the removal and replacement of individual hammers, as well as adjust the balance of the drum from the outside. The Smart Feed system controls the engine speed and adjusts the grinding speed to ensure optimum machine performance. It's worth mentioning the additional damage defense system, which reduces the likelihood of metal contamination entering the hammer mill. Wrapper Automatic. This wrapping machine of Polish production stands out above all for its high speed at all stages of operation and its remote control system. One person alone can use the device, while the bales are wrapped only on one side, which saves up to 50% of the film and prevents the appearance of mold in long-term storage. Speed of about 7 km per hour thanks to its diesel engine, and provides its owner with 2 modes of use. The first is manual and controlled from the console, while the second, automatic, occurs without operator intervention. Sleipner DB120. The company Sleipner, which specializes in the transportation of tracked vehicles, provides devices for assistance in construction sites. The DB120 model for bulldozers and drilling machines has a turning radius of 11 meters, a road clearance of 600 millimeters, and can load massive equipment in less than 2 minutes. The system can be used for all common models of drilling machines and bulldozers, including the CAT D11T. The average speed of towing in an industrial site can reach 30 km per hour. Safety during loading and unloading, and also serves as a reliable brake mechanism. The braking force is controlled automatically, and the pressure accumulators function as an emergency stop. And mining, as well as tunneling and quarrying. The D series of the Volvo articulated trucks are equipped with the Volvo D16 diesel, which meets the requirements of the Tier 4i environmental standard. The engine uses a unique technology to increase the efficiency of combustion of fuel, reducing fuel consumption and noise, and prolonging the service life. In the standard version, Volvo articulated trucks are equipped with automatic traction control systems. This model of the A40F is equipped with a new multi-stage braking system. Komatsu 830E and the Sleipner E550. Sometimes a leading tractor is not enough for the transportation of big machines. An excellent transport solution is this trailer installation from the company Sleipner, which is an additional wheel fastened to the cargo. The tractor used in this case is the Komatsu 830E mining dump truck, and as a cargo we see a crawler excavator, also from the company Komatsu. Thanks to this solution, the transportation is carried out without problems, preventing the caterpillars from getting stuck in the sand and clogging. Heavy lift transporter. These are modules for heavy loads with hydraulically driven axles. Vehicles of this type are the ideal solution for those cases where the traction of traditional towing vehicles is not enough to transport the heaviest loads, or when it's impossible to use tractors because of the limited space. Thus, it's possible to safely and easily transport loads weighing several thousand tons with the optimal distribution of driving forces. The main goods that are transported on such platforms are transformers, pipeline components, drilling platforms, wind installations, ships or parts of ships, as well as elements of bridges.